Today, I'm going to show you how to stretch a video on CapCut PC in just a few easy steps. This is a really useful trick if you want your clip to fill more of the screen, fit a certain frame better, or make your edit look more polished without complicated settings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, go to the timeline and click on the video clip you want to stretch. Make sure the clip is selected because the stretch controls will only appear when the video is active. Now look at the preview window. You should see the selected clip displayed there, along with corner handles around the video. These handles are what you'll use to resize the clip. To stretch the video, simply click and drag one of the corner handles outward. As you drag it larger, the video will expand and fill more of the frame. If you want the video to stretch evenly, try dragging from a corner instead of just one side. That helps keep the overall look balanced while making the clip bigger. Depending on your project, you may want to stretch it just enough to fill the screen without cutting off important parts of the video. So take a moment to watch the preview as you adjust it. If the clip starts looking too zoomed in or cropped, just release the handle and fine-tune the size again until it looks right. The goal is to make the video fit your layout in the cleanest way possible. This is especially helpful for vertical videos, social media edits, or any project where you want more visual impact from your footage. And that's it. Stretching a video in CapCut PC is that simple. Open your project, select the clip, and drag the corner handles outward in the preview window until the video fills the frame the way you want. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.